Hello everyone and welcome to your 13th Adobe Photoshop tutorial, making a selection part 3. In this tutorial we will see the lasso tool and the quick selection tool. So let's start. First, to select the lasso tool, we go here below the marquee tool, left click on the lasso tool. Now a lasso was basically a ring made out of a rope, and that was used in ancient times and even used now to catch fleeing animals. Like, they tie the rope in a circular form so that it creates a ring at the top and a straight rope coming to the hands of the people. They revolve the rope and then throw it to catch animals or running cows. So that is a lasso. As you can see by the shape of the tool, it is in the shape of kind of a lasso. It was even used in India to catch cows or to scare away a few birds by tying a stone at the end of the ring and then revolving and throwing it in order to scare away crows and the other birds in the farms. The same way, the lasso tool got its name from there, and since the rotating and throwing and everything over there is kind of in a free manner, as the user wants to do it, the user will do. In the same way over here, whenever you left click and drag in any shape anywhere, this lasso tool will select that particular shape. As you can see, any shape that you draw will get selected. Lasso tool is mainly used to make rough selections where getting precise edges is not so important. You can just cut a flower, move a flower, and then you can work with that flower as you need. Now the quick selection tool is somewhat like the magic wand tool, but it acts on a very smaller area, and instead of working in a color range format, it works more on the luminance format. We will learn more about it in the later tutorials. For now, let's just use the quick selection tool. To use the quick selection tool, you can left click at any given point and then it will select that much area. You can left click and drag your left mouse button and then it will start selecting the areas, and as you can see, the sky is now more precisely selected using the quick selection tool. You can press delete on your keyboard to delete the sky. Now we can come over here, use this, delete. As you can see, it selected a very large area which you don't want. We can use mouse scroll to zoom in, and since we did the mouse scroll zooming point as the center, it will zoom wherever we point and it will keep that inside the image. Let's decrease the size of the brush and then click and drag, hit delete, click and drag, hit delete. We can go over here, hit delete, hit Ctrl plus D to deselect, make a new layer, fill it, drag it down, and as you can see, the selection is more proper this time. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.